In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop images in Microsoft Word. So as when I have this image in Microsoft Word, so once you double click it, you can see that it is having more than enough space by the sides, and I want to crop it to have only the equation section. So once you double click, you can see the picture format coming out here. So your target point is the crop. You can come to crop over here and just click on it, and you see these edges coming up. So you can come over and hover over to the edge. You can click and drag. You can see right now we've saved up to cropped up to this point. You can come to the top and hover as well and drag. Okay, if you have any section that you are missing, you can just click and move it the same way on this side and the same way on this side. All right, so once you're done, you can just click out, and now you have your image cropped to the section that you want. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.